and I did get this with a with the Sprite. So this is I did order a 6-piece McNugget meal. This was $6.41. So let's open this up. Let's get into our fries. Typical McDonald's fries. I was supposed to get a 6-piece McNugget. I got a cheeseburger here, and I got sweet and sour sauce in here. Even though they gave me the wrong order, let's see what kind of cheeseburger they gave me. Throw this in here. All right, so I don't know, maybe somebody ordered a plain cheeseburger. Making a mess, making up some sweet and sour sauce on here. Give this a try. Let's open up this toy. Let's see what kind of toy we got. It says Vine Crawler, Stranger Things. So we got that lined up. Let's open this up. You guys see that in there? Does that come out? All right. That has to go in. There we go. Let's close this. Let's lock it back up. All right, guys. So that's it for this review. Once again, a messed up order, but we made it work out. Meal, it was only like $6.41, and on a scale from 1 to 10, I would just give this a 6 out of 10. It's not a horrible meal. It's not overly priced, and once again, it is just for a kid anyways. All right, guys, hit that like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.